Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essential permissions so data flows smoothly, enable microphone and location, and allow network access. Once done, open Track Live and either join the existing session or create a new one. Make sure to set the sampling rate, 1s or 5s depending on precision versus battery. Lower frequency saves power. Start streaming immediately so the app establishes a live connection, and watch for the first successful sync indicator before proceeding to capture continuous updates. You now configure which data layers to stream: GPS, telemetry, sensors, and any custom tags. Once selected, apply filters to reduce jitter and use real-time smoothing when precise trajectories matter. Make sure to monitor the live dashboard continuously. Look at latency and packet loss percentage and verify timestamps align across devices. If latency spikes, switch to a lower sampling rate or a local relay. Keep an eye on error indicators so you can adjust before data gaps grow. You finish by saving a session snapshot and exporting logs in CSV or JSON so you retain both raw and processed records. Once complete, stop the stream gracefully to ensure files and metadata are written correctly. Abrupt quits can corrupt exports. If something goes wrong, such as no updates or high packet loss, restart the app first, toggle the network connection, then rejoin the session ID. If persistent, reduce sampling rate and use a wired or stronger Wi-Fi source to stabilize the stream.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.